Hello everyone, welcome back to AEJI Storytime channel for kids. I hope you guys have a great weekend. And today we are going to be reading one of my first I Can Read books. It's called Oh, Cats by Nola. Are you ready, guys? Right now we are looking at this little girl and she's holding 3 cats. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 cats. She must love cats. I hope you guys love kitty cats just like her. Look at that, guys. We see more cats. We need to count them. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do you know how to count in Spanish? Let's do it in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job, you guys. Remember, the title of our book is called Oh, Cats. Oh, Gatos by Nola. I can see cats. 1, 2, 3, and cats. Do you see the cats? 1, 2, 3 cats. I can say cats. By the way, do you know the sound the cats make? Meow, meow, meow. When they're hungry, right? Have you ever heard that? Come and play, cats. Come and play. She's calling the cats. Up you go, cats. She's putting them in the top of the swing. No, cats! What's happening? The cats are running away, guys. Why are they running away? Where are you, cats? I see 2 cats. 1 and 2. I will come, cats, to find 1 cat. 1. Now I see cats. 1, 2, 3 cats. 1, 2, 3. You come down, cats. Come down now, cats. How many cats do we see, guys? 1, 2, 3. They are on top of a tree. Jump and play, cats. How many cats are jumping? 1, 2, 3 cats. Run away, cats. Why the cats are running away, guys? What's happening? No, cats. Do not go, cats. We see 3 cats running away. Why are the cats running? If you stay, cats, we will play, cats. Look, the little girl is giving them a little ball. And they playing already. But they trying to catch a butterfly. Oh, cats. Now they are playing with the little girl. I hope you guys like the story. It's called Oh, Cats by Nola. You guys have a great night.